आंसर नहीं देना है. Don't give the right answer. So those who know the answer only raise your hands. Yes, Tapanshi. Yes, Tapanshi, give me the answer.
Ma'am, coal is the answer.
Yes, right. Right answer. Everyone take the coal answer. Second option, which of these is called black gold? I told you black diamond or black gold is the same thing. I know that the gold and diamonds are different, but here some mistake or misprint in the book also somewhere, many places. So black gold is coal because the gold is in the yellow color and it is written black gold. So black gold means coal, right, student? Open your videos, everyone. I am taking oral test today of that chapter because chapter day yesterday it is finished. So I thought I will take the oral test for you. For taking oral test, I will understand कि किसको समझ में आया और किसको नहीं. Right? Next question is, which of the following is or are obtained from petroleum? Raise your hands. Next question is, I am telling you the meaning of the question. Which of the following is or are obtained from the petroleum? The options are naphtha, crude oil, paraffin wax, all of these. Which of the following? एक भी हो सकता है और बहुत सारे भी हो सकते हैं. All of these के लिए R लगा हुआ है. Which of the following is oblique R obtained from the petroleum? So Garima Tyagi. Yes, Garima Tyagi.
Ma'am,
What is the
all
right
of these. Ma'am, all of these.
answer? Naphtha you can get from obtained from the petroleum. Yes, Garima. पेट्रोलियम इज ऑलरेडी खुद क्रूड ऑयल है. पेट्रोलियम से क्रूड ऑयल नहीं मिलता है. पेट्रोलियम इज अ क्रूड ऑयल. So this is not a right answer. Garima, think about this. Yes, Trusty.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the right
Trusty.
answer is paraffin wax.
Yes, very good. This is the right answer. Paraffin wax. Why it is so paraffin wax? I am telling you. Because naphtha is not obtained from the petroleum and crude oil is also not because petroleum is a crude oil. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All of these to answer हो ही नहीं सकता.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it everyone clear? I'm coming back to you. Is this question is clear to everyone? Sumit Chaudhary, what is this? Why you are asking? That is why I'm taking oral test. So naphtha is not obtained from the petroleum. I'm telling the right answer also. I'm explaining also. Crude oil nahi ho sakta. This is right answer because petroleum is a crude oil. All of these, it is not possible. Paraffin wax is the right answer. Paraffin wax, correct the tick. Tick the correct options, everyone. Now, next question I will ask and raise your hand those who know the questions. Those who know the answer of this question. An exhaustible source of energy is I am giving the options: petroleum, tidal waves, the sun, wind. An exhaustible source of energy is Vaishnavi Abhinav Gupta. Okay, Vaishnavi Goswami. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Ma'am, petroleum.
This is petroleum because why petroleum is the answer?
मैम बिकॉज वो एग्जॉस्ट नहीं हो सकता.
एग्जॉस्ट नहीं हो सकता कि एग्जॉस्ट हो जाएगा. टाइडल वेव्स, द सन एंड विंड, है ना, दे आर द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, दे विल नेवर एंड. बट पेट्रोलियम का एंड हो जाएगा वंस वी हैव यूज्ड एंड इट विल वन डे विल कम, इट विल फिनिश्ड. Okay. Nobody raise your hands. Onik and Parth and Nandini Gupta, Muskan, Vanya, Vanshika Tulani. So next question. Okay. I will ask of anyone. This is oral test, na? So I will, those who know the answer, they are raising their hands. But I will ask in between also. Next question is, which is not a gaseous fuel? Think about it and then give the answer. The options are hydrogen, gasoline, methane, carbon monoxide. Which is not a gaseous fuel? इसमें से gaseous fuel कौन सा नहीं है? Hydrogen, gasoline, methane और carbon monoxide. Gaseous fuel. So Arshit, Garima, Naina only. Yes, Sumit. Sumit, give the answer. Sumit Chaudhary. Yes. Ayush. Ayush Jha. Ayush Jha. Ayush, I am asking to you. So I can remove the class. No? I can remove them from the class. Because they are not giving the answer. Ayush Jha. Okay, Onik Gupta, you tell me. Onik Gupta. Yes, Onik, unmute. Unmute yourself. Onik Gupta. Naina Chaudhary. Yes, Naina.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the right answer?
Ma'am, the right. Hello.
Yes, yes, beta.
Hello.
Yes,
Ma'am, my
yes,
voice is coming.
yes, yes.
Ma'am,
your
the
voice is-
right. Ma'am, carbon monoxide.
which is not a gaseous fuel. Think
Ma'am,
about it.
carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide is a mixture of coal gas, and coal gas is a gaseous fuel, Naina. Check it out. This is not a right
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Gaseous fuel
Ma'am,
is a coal gas, right? Listen to me. And coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide is not a right answer. Yes. Anyone? Onik. Unmute yourself. Onik Gupta. Yes, Onik.
Hello.
Yes, Onik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the right answer?
Ma'am, methane.
No, methane is the wrong answer. Methane is also a mixture of a gaseous fuel.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm telling you, nobody has given the right answer. Okay, Garima Tyagi. Yes, Garima. Yes, Garima. Yes.
मैम हाइड्रोजन.
सभी बता दिया आप लोगों ने. किसी ने कुछ बोला है? No, this is wrong answer. Yes, Srishti. Yes, Srishti Gupta. Give me the
Ma'am, the
answer.
right answer is gasoline.
Gasoline. Yes. Because 3 options are given by the other students, so last is gasoline. That is why you had given the answer, right?
Ma'am, but I know this answer.
Okay. And this is a very correct answer. Gasoline. Everyone take the correct options. Because listen, I am giving the explanation also. Gaseous fuel is a coal gas, right, student? And coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. So methane हो नहीं सकता, hydrogen हो नहीं सकता, carbon monoxide हो नहीं सकता. So what is our answer is left? Gasoline. Got it, student? Okay, I am showing you. See this. See this, in this, I will tell you. See. So these are the gaseous fuel and it is a mixture of hydrogen, methane and carbon dioxide. Gaseous fuel is a coal gas and it is written coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen, methane and carbon monoxide. So gasoline is a right answer. Correct the right answer, everyone. Okay, next question. Next question, raise your hand those who know the question. Softest quality of a coal is, softest quality of the coal is, coal की कौन सी quality soft होती है? The options are lignite, bituminous, anthracite and peat. Lignite, bituminous, anthracite and peat. These are the options. Softest quality of the coal is. Same students, they are giving the answer. Yes, Abhinav Gupta. Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav. What is the right answer? Your voice is, yes?
Ma'am, Pete. Ma'am, Pete is the answer. Ma'am, this is Pete.
Peat. Dev, what is the correct answer? आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Yes, Dev.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the correct answer? I am asking 3 times.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, ma'am is the
Anthracite.
right answer. No. Anthracite is the wrong answer. Softest quality of the coal. Anthracite is a very hard coal. So this is the wrong answer, Dev Saraswat. Yes, Muskan. Yes, Muskan.
Ma'am, lignite.
Yes, very good. Lignite is the right answer because lignite is the softest quality of the coal. It has very less percentage of the carbon. It is very softest coal. It's a kind of the coal, but lignite is a very soft. And anthracite is a very hard coal. Right answer, Muskan. So everyone take the correct answers. Lignite is the right answer. सब लोग करेक्ट कर लीजिए. लिग्नाइट इज अ राइट आंसर. So in this way, the exercise also you can fill it, and it's a very good that I am taking the oral test and you are enjoying, or I should know that we should know that ki how many students they are reading or this chapter thoroughly. Next question is, which one of these is not a type of coal? The options are lignite, bituminous, wax, and anthracite. Which one of these is not a type of coal? कौन सा इसमें टाइप ऑफ कोल नहीं है? लिग्नाइट, बिटुमिनस, वैक्स एंड एंथ्रासाइट. Let me see who has raised their hand. Yes, full class. Arth. Mayank Kumar. Yes, Mayank Kumar. Yes, Mayank.
Ma'am, wax is the correct answer.
Wax is a correct answer. Yes. Wax is not a type of coal. Very easy.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Right answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
So wax is the right answer. बाकी सब कोल के टाइप थे. It's very different. ये already different था कि wax था. Okay. Next question. What are the products of the destructive distillation of a coal? What are the products of the destructive distillation of a coal? Coke, coal tar, bitumen, both A and B. Raise your hands. Yes, Piyush. Yes, Piyush, Kushwaha.
Yes, ma'am. B option is the correct. Coal tar.
Coal tar. No, this is wrong answer. Think about destructive distillation of a coal. जब कोल का डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन होता है तो क्या बनता है? कोक प्लस कोल तार. कोक
Both
और
A
कोल
and
तार
B.
दोनों ही होते हैं. So both A and B. First you had given the wrong answer. Both A and B. This is the right answer. D option.
Okay, ma'am.
See D option में टिक कर लीजिए. D option में टिक कर लीजिए. Both A and B. Coke and coal tar both are the product of the destructive distillation. Got it everyone? सब करेक्ट करते जा रहे हैं. Okay, now I will ask fill up questions, fill in the blanks. This is also like a oral test. Give me the answer. High temperature and high pressure inside the earth slowly converted the buried vegetation into dash. First fill up. High temperature and high pressure की वजह से inside the earth slowly converted the buried vegetation into dash. What is the right answer? Raise your hands. Yes, Nandini. Yes, Nandini. Nandini.
CNG.
Nandini. Yes, Nandini.
CNG.
CNG. Only CNG. No, Nandini, this is not a right answer. Nandini, this is not a right answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Sumit Chaudhary. Yes. Sumit Chaudhary, bolo. Yes, Sumit Chaudhary. सुमित चौधरी, मैंने आपको अनम्यूट किया है। सुमित चौधरी, यस नैना, यस नैना,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, what is the right answer? High temperature and
Ma'am,
low
the
pressure inside. Yes.
ma'am, formation of crude oil and coal.
You can say that in the short because crude oil is not only fossil fuel, right? सब चीजें मिलती हैं हमको inside the deep, go to the earth crust, coal and fossil fuels. Both the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Fossil fuel में सब कुछ आ जाता है, right?
Yes,
Coal,
ma'am.
petroleum, natural gas, all these things will come in the fossil fuels. So right
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
is coal and fossil fuel. Everyone, everyone, write the correct answer. Coal and fossil fuels. Coal and fossil fuels. Write the both answer. Coal and fossil fuels. Written, everyone. Second, dash is a crude oil found trapped in the underground rocks. I had already given the answer. Dash is a crude oil found trapped in the underground rocks. Yes, Nishu. Yes, Nishu.
Ma'am, petroleum.
Petroleum is the right answer. Petroleum is a crude oil found trapped in the underground rocks. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone write the book ले ली है आप लोगों ने? Have you purchased the book set?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So very noise coming from the backside, Nishu. So next is third one. Substance obtained from the petroleum and natural gas are dash. Substance obtained from petroleum and natural gas are dash. कौन सी substance मिलते हैं? Yes, Tapanshi. Yes, Tapanshi Jain.
Ma'am, petrochemicals.
Petrochemical only. So
Yes, ma'am.
we have to write down all the substance.
Yes, ma'am.
So petrol, comma diesel, comma oil. So you can write 2 or 3 at least, right?
Okay, ma'am.
पेट्रोलियम और नेचुरल गैस से हमें क्या मिलता है? पेट्रोल तो मिलता ही है, डीजल मिलता है, ऑयल मिलता है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can write in bracket.
No, put a comma in between them, no? Petrol,
Okay.
comma diesel, comma oil. Don't put the bracket, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, everyone write the correct answer. Petrol, comma diesel, comma oil. Put the comma in between these words. Next, fourth, dash is the wise and careful use of the resources. Dash is the wise and careful use of resources. So Garima Tyagi. Yes, Garima. Yes, Garima. What is the right answer? Garima. Garima. Muskan. Yes, Muskan. Yes, Muskan. What is the right answer?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Have you read this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's very simple answer. Conservation is the wise and careful use of resources. हम अपने रिसोर्सेज को केयरफुली और वाइज कैसे यूज कैसे करते हैं? कंजर्वेशन इज अ वाइज एंड केयरफुल यूज ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज, राइट मुस्कान?
Yes, ma'am.
So write the right answer, conservation. Conservation. Okay, I'm showing you now. Okay, next, fifth. Dash is used as a reducing agent in metallurgic process. What is the right answer? Raise your hands only. Tapanshi has no. Yes, Arshit. Yes, Arshit Singh.
Ma'am, Coke.
Yes, very good. Coke is used to reducing agent. Right answer. Yes, write down fifth, fill up Coke. Everyone note it down. Coke is used as a reducing agent. Sixth, these days, dash a petroleum products is used in place of coal tar for metaling the roads. कोल तार की जगह कौन सा यूज हो रहा है now these days? Which is used? A petroleum product is used in the place of coal tar. Yes, Sumit. Sumit Chaudhary. Yes, Sumit. So bitumen is right, a right answer. Write it, note it down. Bitumen. Bitumen जो है, जो type of coal जो है हम use कर रहे हैं. These days, bitumen is a petroleum product is used in place of coal tar. Note it down, everyone. Bitumen is a petroleum product is used in place of coal tar. So I'm showing you the right answer. See, take a screenshot. These are the right answers, everyone. Note it down or otherwise take the screenshot. So this is the exercise part is finished. Then matching the column 3, 5, 4, 1, 2 is the right answer. Anthracite 86% or 97% carbon. Coke, mining, crude oil. This is petroleum. Exhaustible natural resources. These are the non-renewable resources. Fifth, natural gas. This is CNG. Because CNG is a example of natural gas. Note it down, everyone. This is the right answer. Note it down, everyone. See the screen. Now raise your hands. Any query? For any query, for any question, you can ask. Raise your hands. Yes, Sumit. Yes, Sumit. Yes, Garima. Yes, Vanya.
Ma'am, which chapter will come in assessment?
Beta, metals and non-metals, whatever I taught you in the starting, metals
Okay,
and
ma'am.
non-metals, right?
Okay.
In the assessment only this chapter will come.
Okay.
ये चैप्टर तो अभी फिनिश हुआ है ना, ये कैसे आ सकता है?
Okay, ma'am.
One, I completed all these, the before metal and non-metal, long answers and everything. Okay, Garima. Any problem at all about this chapter? Ask me. Yes, Garima. Any problem at all? Take a screenshot, otherwise. Everyone has taken the screenshot. Naina, Srishti, Dev, Piyush, Ayush. I had written the all right answer in the exercise part. So any question, any query about this chapter or about this exercise? No question at all.